Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best callus remover. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Dr. Scholl's Medicated Callus Remover. Our laboratory experts are big fans of the Dr. Scholl's brand. This brand is famous for making products that you can buy without a prescription, and they are really good at relieving tension and discomfort in your feet. One of their top products is the Medicated discs. These are great if you need to keep treating your calluses all day long. Inside each cushion, there is a strong dose of something called salicylic acid. This acid helps to remove the tough skin on your calluses. The cushions also have something called Naturale technology. This technology makes sure your feet are comfortable with every step you take. People who write reviews online agree that these pads work well to soften the tough outer layers of calluses. But they might not be enough if you have really big calluses that go deep into your skin. Number 7 in my list is Colossal Callus Remover. There's a popular foot file on Amazon that many people love. It has received over 68,000 5-star ratings, making it a bestseller. This foot file is designed for use after you've applied creams and gels to your feet to encourage smooth skin. It makes the process really easy by quickly removing any dead skin. One person who left a review said, "It not only worked, but it really worked." They couldn't believe how well this foot file got rid of the dry, dead, and calloused skin on their feet. Foot files can be a great tool for getting rid of dead skin and calluses, but you need to be careful when using them, especially if you're new to it. It's generally a good idea to soak your feet first to soften the skin, and then gently use the file on the area you want to treat. Both the Rikins brand and reviewers recommend starting slowly and not going too hard, or else your skin can become sore and tender. Number 6 in my list is Patchology Posh Peel Callus Remover. Former writer Lori Keong from The Strategist spoke to pedicurist Carrie Tells at W. Austin's Away Spa. Tells suggested using Patchology's Posh Peel Foot Mask, which is a big hit at their spa. This mask contains ingredients like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, and botanical extracts. These ingredients work together to deeply exfoliate the skin and encourage it to shed dead skin cells. During the summer, I started running more regularly and spending time at the beach, which led to more calluses on my feet. The buildup on my heels and the edges of my feet became very noticeable. Instead of using my Footlogix file, I decided to try the Patchology foot mask. To prepare, I soaked my feet in hot water for 30 minutes and then applied the AHA-packed essence from the foot mask packets. I wore the foot mask socks for an hour while watching an episode of The Real Housewives of New York. After 60 minutes, I washed and dried my feet. Number 5 in my list is Kerasal Intensive Callus Remover. Regular body lotion isn't usually strong enough to go through the thick layers on the bottom of your feet and calluses. According to Sutera, a fan of this gentle but effective foot cream, acids are helpful because they exfoliate the thick skin and break down calluses over time while keeping your skin moisturized. This foot cream is made with urea and salicylic acid, which work relatively fast. Sutera mentions that you can start seeing results after a few uses. Ed Gardneau, a podiatrist at the Center for Functional and Regenerative Medicine, recommends consistent use of this cream. He also suggests wearing gloves when applying it, or any other cream. This creates a barrier between your hands and maximizes how well the cream can penetrate and work on your feet. Number 4 in my list is Pur-Sources Urea Callus Remover. If you're looking for a cream-based option that's not as strong as the gel mentioned earlier, Stern suggests trying Pur-Sources foot cream. This cream contains 40% urea, which is an ingredient that can dissolve the top layer of dead skin cells and calluses. It does a good job on its own for rough patches, but if you're dealing with a particularly tough callus, Stern recommends using it alongside a manual foot file. This combination can be quite effective. After using the cream, Stern also suggests applying a rich cream or lotion, She specifically likes products with shea butter because it acts like a protective barrier for the skin and helps seal in moisture, keeping your feet soft and comfortable. Number 3 in my list is ProLinc Fast Acting Callus Remover. If you're in need of something stronger and faster when it comes to callus removal, there's a gel used in some nail salons that can do the trick. Back in 2017, writer Allison Freer spotted it at her local salon and decided to get it for herself. She describes it as one of the smartest things she's done because it left her with 2 soft, smooth, and callus-free feet. Choi, as mentioned by Kiam, says this gel is highly effective for exfoliating your feet. To use it, you apply it to the calluses, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then follow up with a pumice stone or a foot file. Number 2 in my list is Amopé Pedi Callus Remover. This electronic foot file is a favorite of both Sutera and Ashley Weatherford, the senior beauty editor at The Cut. Weatherford especially likes how easy it is to use, saying that a simple switch turns on the electronic foot file and it gently rotates. In just about 5 minutes, even the roughest feet can become incredibly soft. Sutera appreciates that it moves in one direction, unlike some aggressive back and forth scrubbing motions, which can actually make cracks and calluses worse. However, she does caution users to take it slow. Using too much pressure can go too deep, potentially reaching the dermal layers of skin, which can lead to infection, pain, increased cracking, and scarring. This specific Amopé tool comes with a regular coarse roller head, but there are also extra coarse and ultra coarse grit options available. The company recommends replacing the roller head whenever it no longer effectively removes hard skin, which you can tell if the roller appears lighter and the grain size is worn down. Number 1 in my list is Cuccio Naturale Reusable Callus Remover. Korea recommended the Cuccio stainless steel foot file. Unlike the previous one mentioned, this file uses disposable exfoliating stickers. Each sticker is designed for single use before you toss it away. According to Korea, this makes it a safe and hygienic way to get rid of unwanted dead skin without the risks of going too deep or burning your skin. This kit includes 15 sheets, featuring both coarser 80 grit paper and medium 180 grit paper. This allows you to use it on areas with a lot of built-up skin, as well as on more sensitive areas. And once you've used up those sheets, it's easy to get more medium or coarse abrasive stickers to keep your foot file effective. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing and coming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.